Well, there's a job for you. Welcome to UK Theme Parks. We are here at Thorpe Park for a Hyperia update. Now, quite a lot has actually happened. We've had a quick wander down, and in this video we are going to show you the latest developments on the project, which is ongoing for a 2024 opening. Now then, walking down we can see new track, new supports, new decor, lots going on. So let's get into the update now and show you what's happening down here at the Hyperia site. So a fair amount of piping work and digging going for the trenches around here, as you can see. And indeed more dirt being excavated as well down by where the base of the lift will be. We'll show you the rest of the station building shortly. We've got a tree obscuring this view. And then you can see the retail unit in the back. Again, it's coming on lovely. New roof parts, new backs, new fronts. And we will show also in the background as well actually that Samurai is being put back together. It's not been painted yet. I thought it would be painted before it was put back together, but it's not been painted yet. The thick gold trim is carrying on around the maintenance shed as well as the station as well. Can't wait to see what the final pattern looks like on here. There's a close-up of the decor on the building there. It was starting last time we were here, it has now been finished. They are doing some more the other end as well. Quite a lot of cutting going on, grinding, so it's quite noisy down here again at the Hyperia site, as it is every time we come down here. Loads has happened on the retail unit just over the back there as well. That's going to come along really nicely. Now, we did point out in the background there that Samurai is being put back together. As far as I'm aware, it's returned to its old colour scheme, so I'm a little bit perplexed by the fact that it's been put up blue. I'd have thought it would have been easier to paint it first, but I mean, you know, what do I know? I don't know anything, so we'll hold judgment on that until we see it. You can see him installing some new panels on the side there, but there is new track and there is new support, so let's head down the other end of the site now and show you those. Now this is the extra part of the tower that's gone up. And the tip of this is about halfway. And as you can see, they have installed this new piece of track today, which forms part of the drop. I have to say, the turn and transition into that is something else. We'll get you some more shots of the tower. Now this support will cap off to a single support going up the top. So although it looks like there's loads and loads to go, there's not a lot of height. There's still a bit of structure to it, and we'll show you a bit of that shortly. And you can see sort of connection points and how it will connect to the track and the remainder of track to go in. Now, first thing we'll notice is just how clear the site is at the moment on the ground. And as we look at this support structure, much has changed since we last saw it. And again, you can see where this will form part of the drop. And you can see here for the next piece, which will complete the stall turn, that it also has brackets for there, as well as supporting parts of the lift hill. You have to remember the lift hill, I mean, I don't quite know what incline it's at, but it's at a fairly steep incline if you think it's got to do 236 feet and be vertical by the time you're here. So it's going to be quite an incline. But loads gone on the supports. Again, they just look incredible, don't they? After the track's gone in, we're back to supports again. So take a look behind of the angle of that track as it's been installed. It's just over halfway, I reckon. It's just over halfway up, and you can see the support structure gradually gets narrower and narrower, and if you do look at the plans, it kind of branches off into a single one to hold the top of the track as it comes down. So this will form part of the drop, it will form part of the lift hill, and as we zoomed in just a minute ago, you can see how these bits will connect now with a couple more supports going in. That concludes our Hyperia update from Thorpe Park. So yeah, loads going on site. As you can see, new supports, that structure just over halfway I reckon is going up. It's got to branch off now into a singular one. It's going to look epic. I think it looks epic now, to be honest with you. And we can see another piece of track installed as well, part of the drop on the way down, which is incredible to see. We're going to show you a little bit down here because there is a little bit of development down here. So we'll add that onto the end of the video. But if you've liked this video, please drop it a like. It means the world to us, it really does, and we hugely appreciate the support as well. But we'll just show you what's going on down by Double Tea Party because they've started re-enclosing that. After the train was moved from Nemesis Inferno, there was a bit of scaffolding around the brakes, however that is now gone. They look over to the fascia of Double Tea Party, which is now being reinstalled, and of course the beautiful Stealth undergoing its sparkle in the background. Little bonus footage at the end there. Thank you for joining us here on UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.